In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Smartsheet form. First, let's ensure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Once you are in, navigate over to your specific workspace. This is the starting point of our journey today. Inside your workspace, you'll find the Smartsheet that you want to work with. Go ahead and open it. With the sheet open, it's time to create a duplicate. Head over to the File menu. Here, you'll see an option that says Save as New. Selecting this option is crucial because it enables us to create a new version of the sheet. At this stage, a prompt will appear asking for a new name for your copied sheet. This is your opportunity to label it with something recognizable, making retrieval easy later on. Along with the name, you'll need to decide where to save this new sheet within your workspace. Be thoughtful about this choice. Organizing your space efficiently can save time in the future. As you continue in the Save as New window, you'll encounter several options related to data and formatting. Here, ensure that the Forms option is checked. This step is crucial because selecting Forms ensures that not just the data or layout, but the form itself gets copied over to your new Smartsheet. Skipping this could lead to extra work later on if you need to manually recreate the form. Once you've double-checked the name, location, and form selection, hit the Save button. This action finalizes the copying process. Your new sheet is now created and should be fully functional. The next thing you should do is locate your newly created sheet. Navigate to it and access the unique link that corresponds to the duplicated form. This link is crucial because it's your pathway to interact with the form in the context of your new sheet. By following these steps, you've successfully duplicated a Smartsheet form and tied it to a new sheet. This separation is valuable because any changes made to one form will not affect the other, giving you flexibility and control over your data collection processes. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily manage and duplicate forms in Smartsheet, helping streamline your workflow and ensure that you remain organized. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out other guides for more Smartsheet tips and tricks.